Hey road trip lovers! If you're looking for the best GPS navigation systems of 2026, I've got you covered. Whether you're on an off-road adventure or need smooth city directions, these GPS devices will keep you on track. I've been using the Garmin DriveSmart 86 for a few months now, and I have to say, it's been a game changer. The 8-inch high-resolution screen is huge and makes a big difference when navigating busy streets or trying to read smaller map details. The Garmin Voice Assist is super handy because I can give it commands without ever taking my hands off the wheel. It's a smooth experience with no lag or delays, and the driver alerts for speed limits and traffic make me feel way more secure, especially on unfamiliar roads. The traffic and speed camera alerts help avoid getting stuck in traffic, and it's so easy to connect with my phone via Bluetooth. Honestly, if you're looking for a GPS that's easy to use and gives you all the info you need, this is it. Check the description for the link to the product. Now, if you're like me and you love hitting the trails, the Voyager Pro Kit is definitely worth checking out. I've taken this on multiple off-road trips and it's been a lifesaver. The rugged GPS TQ works seamlessly, even when you're off the grid. It's built to withstand bumps, rain, dust, basically anything that comes your way during an outdoor adventure. The real-time mapping and topographic detail are perfect when you're navigating unfamiliar terrain. Plus, it's easy to mount on my UTV and use even when I'm standing. If you're into overlanding or just exploring rugged backcountry, this GPS keeps you safe and on course. Check the description for the link to the product. If you're into overlanding, then the Garmin Tread 2 Overland Edition is your perfect companion. I've been using this on a few off-road trips and it's been amazing. The 8-inch display is huge and the preloaded topo maps are fantastic when you're traveling off the grid. You get everything from trails to backcountry routes, and the rugged build means it can handle even the toughest conditions. Rain, mud, or snow, this thing takes it all. I really like how customizable the routes are. It helps me navigate without worrying about getting stuck in places I shouldn't be. Weather alerts are super handy too. If you want to disconnect, but still stay safe, this GPS keeps you connected to the right paths. Check the description for the link to the product. If you're just looking for straightforward navigation, the Garmin Drive 53 is perfect. I've used this for a few weeks, and it's honestly one of the easiest systems to use. The 6-inch screen is just the right size, clear, bright, and not overwhelming. The traffic alerts are a nice touch, especially during rush hour, and it's got all the basic features you need for smooth driving. The interface is super simple, so I don't have to waste time trying to figure out complicated menus. The lane guidance and driver alerts keep me aware of upcoming turns, and I love how easy it is to just set my route and go. Check the description for the link to the product. The Garmin DriveSmart 66 has quickly become my go-to GPS for daily driving. It's got a 6-inch display that's crisp and bright, making it easy to follow directions at a glance. I love how I can give it voice commands so I can stay focused on the road, and the Garmin Voice Assist feature makes navigating feel so seamless. I also appreciate the driver alerts for things like speed limits and sharp turns. It's great for longer drives, as I don't have to constantly tap the screen to make sure I'm going the right way. Plus, the high-res maps and simple menus just make everything feel smooth and effortless. Check the description for the link to the product. So, whether you're heading out for an off-road adventure or just need simple, reliable navigation for everyday drives, these GPS systems have you covered. Check the description for links and pick your perfect road companion today.